Hi everyone. So I'm Etienne Henry, and I'm the mission officer for the mission R&D and Tech Transfer. So a brief recap for the probees from Toulouse and Alsace. So the innovation is a key mission for France Bioimaging, as said Edouard. So we want to promote new collaboration between R&D labs and between R&D labs and industries, speed up transfer R&D to imaging platforms, and strengthen attractiveness and competitiveness of our core facility, institute, and SMEs. So to do that, we launch few call for tech transfer. We start in 21. The first call was to promote transfer and user-friendlyization of state-of-the-art technologies. The second one, called outreach, was designed to extend outreach activities addressing external user needs. The third one was to promote transfer and user-friendlyization of state-of-the-art technology. And the last one was to give time to core facility engineers to make R&D into the facilities. And there is one which is open 24/7 with a small the price money is slow, is a little bit small, so to speed up dissemination and use of new technologies and methods to develop within the infrastructure. So few calls, I will give you some insights. So the first was made to promote technology transfer from R&D to platforms. And we designed the call to start from a demonstrated technology in a representative environment. So the TRL was from 5 to 6, and we want to, at the end of the project, we want a prototype which can be usable by the end users until the impartation of the data. So we have 5 projects, and you will have an insight onto 2 projects tomorrow, IC at FBI by Jean-Yves Tinvez, and the big HSCS SMLM by Christelle from Bordeaux. The second call, outreach, was to promote the outreach of the infrastructure and increase the outreach of the France Bioimaging infrastructure by the development of new technologies by R&D teams to the core facility. And the point was to meet the needs of users outside of the FBI perimeters. So the TRL was lower. We can start it from a proof of concept and to go to a technology ready to be transferred, addressing external user needs. For this call, we got 4 funded projects, and we will see 2 presentations tomorrow, one for polar imaging by Julien Savatier, Marseille, and one, the virtual microscopy by Tao Laurent from Montpellier. The third one was the concept was the same as the first one, but there is no TRL limitation, so the project can start from the proof of concept or demonstrated technology, and at the end of the project, the prototype must be ready to be transferred or transferred. So we got 7 projects. And you will see tomorrow for Flash Talk from Yves Méli, I forget the name of Nina Soler from Rennes, Elric Esposito, and Emmanuel Marja. And the last but not least, the call we launched during the autumn, call to give time to the core facility engineers for R&D. So the aim of the project was the aim of the call was to give a core facility engineer time to devote developing on a 1-year R&D project. So there was no TR limitation. And we got 7 funded projects. One from Alsace with the Ludovic Richard Flim UV project. One from Bretagne Noire with Stephen Nedelec. One from Montpellier, Orestis Clarisse. One from Marseille, Mathieu Fallet. One from Paris Center, Julien Fernandez. Île-de-France Sud, Claire Boulogne. And Toulouse Node, Aurélie Lerue. So we have this project which will start as soon as possible. They don't receive the mail, but you can start to work. And the last call, which is a year-round call with a review of Field de l'eau, which is open 24/7, so you can scan the QR code and fulfill online the application. So the aim is to give a little boost to speed up dissemination and the use of a new technology. It could be between 2 nodes, 2 imaging platforms from the FBI perimeter or outside. And the price money is a few kilo euros for missions or consumables. The last one this year was a project transfer to study the mechanistic of a minimalistic in vitro model to understand cell intercalation in morphogenesis. So from IGM Paris Center node and Grenoble. So Grenoble is not in the FBI, so you can make this project between one team in FBI and one outside. And for the next year, I would like to get feedbacks on all these calls and to get some long-term impacts to design future calls based on this feedback and on to design I would like to design the future call based on the feedbacks from the project and the need you can identify. So I need your feedback. And I would like to maintain the link with industry. I think we will have a business development engineer coming soon. So I would like to work on this. And that's it. If you have any question.